Let me ask you something real quick. Are you someone who is really good at using AI? You know exactly how to phrase things, you get incredible outputs, your friends and colleagues are always amazed when you show them, but you have no idea how to make money out of this skill. It just feels like a cool hobby that pays you absolutely nothing. Or you are the one who heard that prompt engineering is a hot career. You've seen the headlines. $300,000 salaries, work from anywhere. But when you actually Google how to get started as a business, nothing. Just vague advice, confusing jargon, and courses that cost $2,000 before they even explain what this business is. I've been there, and today I'm going to change that for you, completely. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what prompt engineering is, why businesses are dying to pay for it right now, how to package your skills into a real business even if you're a complete beginner, where to find your first paying clients, and how to scale this thing from a side hustle to a full-time income. I will show you the real path to start it, step-by-step roadmap, but here's the deal. You have to watch till the end, because the most important step, it's the last one most people skip, and it's the reason 90% of people fail. Ready? Let's go. Think of AI like a brand new employee. Incredibly talented, knows millions of things, but completely depends on how you give them instructions. If you're vague, lazy, or unclear, you get bad work. But if you know exactly how to communicate, precisely, strategically, with the right context, you get amazing results. Prompt engineering is simply the skill of writing instructions for AI tools that get you the best possible output. That's it. It's like being a director on a movie set. The AI is your actor, your prompts are the script. A bad director gives bad instructions, a great director creates Oscar-winning results. Here, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and many others are your actors, and you are the director. Here's the crazy thing. Right now, most businesses are wasting 40 to 60% of their AI potential because their teams just don't know how to write good prompts. They're paying for expensive AI subscriptions and getting 30% of the value. That's where you come in. Real example, a marketing team asks ChatGPT, write me a blog post about coffee. Result? Generic garbage. But a prompt engineer writes, act as a senior content strategist for a specialty coffee brand targeting millennial entrepreneurs. Write a 1,200-word SEO-optimized blog post titled Why Your Morning Coffee Ritual is Your Secret Productivity Weapon, with 5 actionable tips, a personal story hook, and a CTA for a free coffee guide. The result? Publishing-ready content that drives traffic and sales. That difference? That's what companies will pay you for. We are living in the most unique moment in business history. AI tools exploded onto the scene, and companies are adopting them faster than their teams can learn to use them. According to McKinsey, AI could add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030. And guess what every single one of those companies will need? Someone who actually knows how to use these tools effectively. Here's what makes this business special. Your startup cost is almost zero. You need a laptop and internet. That's it. There's no physical product, no inventory, no factory. You can work with clients from New York to Tokyo, from your bedroom. The skill you're selling is increasingly valuable as AI becomes more powerful, not less. And most importantly, you are at the beginning of this wave, not the end. Focus on this one thing and you will be guaranteed successful in this business. What can you earn? Beginners charge $500 to $1,500 per project. Intermediate prompt engineers earn $3,000 to $8,000 per month on retainer. Advanced specialists with niche expertise, $10,000 to $30,000 per month. Some are charging $500 per hour for consulting. I'm not saying this to hype you up. I'm saying it because the market data backs it up. This prompt engineering window is open right now. 2 years from now, this market will be saturated with professionals. Today, it's wide open. Let's talk about how you actually build this business from scratch. Step 1. Master the core AI tools. Before you sell anything, you need to actually know the tools. Spend 30 minutes every single day just playing with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Midjourney if you're doing visuals. Don't just use them casually, experiment. Test how different instructions change the output. This is your daily training gym, free to use, and the education is priceless. If you already have rehearsed that, then let's move to next step. Step 2, learn the 5 elements of a powerful prompt. Remember this like your business Bible. Remember these 5 points always before generating a great prompt. Component 1 is giving it a role. Tell the AI who to be. Act as a financial advisor with 20 years of experience. Component 2 is giving it a context. Give background. My client is a 35-year-old professional with $50,000 to invest. Component 3 is giving it a task. Be specific. Create a 90-day investment roadmap. Component 4 is giving it a format. Define the output. Present this as a numbered list with bullet subpoints. Component 5 is giving it constraints. Set limits. Keep it under 500 words. Use simple language, no jargon. Practice this framework daily. After 2 weeks, it becomes automatic. After a month, you'll be faster and better than 95% of people using AI. Okay, I'm sure till now you understood better what to do. If yes, let's move to next step.
Step 3. Pick your niche. This is where most beginners make their biggest mistake. They try to be everything to everyone. Don't. This will keep you surfing for useless tasks forever. Stick to one niche. Pick one industry you already know something about. If you have a background in healthcare, become the AI prompt expert for medical practices. If you understand e-commerce, become the prompt specialist for Shopify store owners. If you love real estate, target real estate agents. Niching down makes you look like an expert immediately, and experts charge 3x to 5x more than generalists. A niche is not limiting, but a real focused power on one area. Now, let's talk about what you're actually selling. There are 3 main service packages that work beautifully in this business. You decide what you are best in out of those. Package 1, Prompt Library. Starter offer, $200 to $800. You build a custom library of 20 to 50 battle-tested prompts for a specific business. A restaurant owner gets prompts for social media captions, menu descriptions, customer email responses, and review replies. A law firm gets prompts for document summarization, client communication templates, and research assistance. You deliver it as a clean Google Doc or Notion page. Simple, fast, and incredibly valuable. You just create this page with the name and a shareable link on Google Drive. Once someone buys it, you have to send the link to their email. Make hundreds of libraries in your niche and see the magic. Package 2, AI Workflow Audit and Setup, $1,000 to $3,000. You go into a business, analyze how they're currently using AI, identify where they're leaving money on the table, build them optimized workflows, and train their team. This is the sweet spot. Businesses will pay $2,000 to $3,000 easily for a week of your time if you can show them a clear ROI, which in this case you absolutely can. You add all the points of any organization, how they operate, and ask the ChatGPT or Gemini how this company ROI can be increased. Prepare kind of audit documentation of their any LOB, e.g. HR, admin, manufacturing, etc. Contact them and tell them you can help them to increase profit as you have audited their business and at a mere cost of $3,000. Package 3, Monthly Retainer, $2,000 to $10,000 a month. This is the holy grail. You become the company's ongoing AI consultant. Approach certain companies and assure them you will update their agents by prompting the updated engineering prompts. You update their prompt systems as new AI features come out, train new employees, optimize continuously. Once you land 2 or 3 retainer clients, you have a real, stable business income. 3 clients at $3,000 a month each, that's $9,000 monthly, working 20 to 25 hours a week, from anywhere. You will be thinking how to approach them. Don't worry, we will talk about that in next step. Start with Package 1. Use it as your entry point. Then upsell to Packages 2 and 3. This is the progression path that actually works. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. Your first client is the hardest. After that, it gets progressively easier. You will give the reference of first to the second one and so on. So let's make that first one happen fast. Method 1. Start with your warm network. Write down every business owner you know. friends, family, former colleagues, LinkedIn connections. Message 10 of them this week with one simple offer. Hey, I'm building an AI consulting business and I'm offering free audits this month to show businesses how they can save 5 to 10 hours a week using AI tools. Would you be interested in a 30-minute call? Free equals low resistance equals fast yes. Do the work brilliantly. Then ask for a testimonial and a referral. Method 2, LinkedIn content strategy. Post on LinkedIn 3 times per week about AI tips for your niche. Real examples, before and after prompts, case studies, small transformations. Decision makers are scrolling LinkedIn every day looking for this exact content. Engage in comments, be generous, be visible. Within 60 days of consistent posting, you will have inbound interest. Method 3, freelance platforms. Create profiles on Upwork, Fiverr, and Contra specifically for prompt engineering. The demand is real. Search prompt engineering on Upwork right now. You'll find many open jobs for the prompt engineers. You don't need an engineering degree, but knowledge how to make an amazing prompts which their people can't. The key is to have a hyper-specific profile. Don't say, I do AI consulting. Say, I help e-commerce brands build custom ChatGPT workflows that cut content creation time by 70%. Specificity wins every time. They will respond, definitely. Method 4. Cold outreach with free value. Find 20 small businesses in your niche on Instagram or Google or in your locality. Study how they're using AI or not using it, or maybe they aren't using it. Then send them a voice message or personalized video showing one specific improvement they could make in their business. Don't pitch, deliver value first without asking any money. This approach converts at 15 to 25%, massively higher than generic cold emails. Once you have 2 or 3 paying clients, you're ready to scale. Here's how the best prompt engineering businesses grow. First, document everything you do. Every prompt system you build, every workflow you create, write it down as a template. This is how you go from doing custom work to selling scalable products. Eventually, you can create a prompt template pack and sell it on Gumroad or create your own website for $97 to $497. You won't have to pay commission to anyone. Then it will generate passive income while you sleep. Second, ask every client for a referral after delivery. Most people never ask. Business owners know other business owners. One happy client can send you 5 more. Create a simple referral incentive, 1 month free, a discount on the next project, whatever feels right. Third, raise your prices after every 2 to 3 successful projects. Don't stay at $500 forever. Every real testimonial is leverage. Every case study is leverage. Use it to charge what you're actually worth.
And fourth, consider teaching. Once you have a proven system, you can create a mini course in video format or a book or group coaching program. People are hungry to learn this skill. Selling knowledge is the most scalable income stream that exists. All right, let me give you your clear action plan. Write this down. This week, spend 30 minutes daily on ChatGPT and Claude. Practice the 5-element prompt framework on things you actually care about. This week, decide and choose your niche. 1 industry, 1 audience. Write it down and be committed to it. Don't change plan once decided. Week 2, reach out to 10 warm contacts with a free AI audit offer and land at least 1 yes. Week 2, set up your LinkedIn profile and post your first 3 pieces of AI content for your niche. Week 3, create your first prompt library. Deliver it for free or a discounted rate, collect a testimonial. Week 4, create profiles on Upwork and Fiverr. Apply to 10 relevant jobs. Month 2, convert your best free client into a paying retainer. Raise your prices. Okay, let's recap. What did we learn today? AI is the biggest business opportunity of our generation, and prompt engineering is the skill that unlocks it. The business model is simple. Learn the skill, pick a niche, package your services into 3 tiers, find clients through warm outreach and content, and scale through referrals and passive products. Low startup cost, high income ceiling, growing demand, and you can start today without any investment. Your time, focus, and little hard work is your investment if you are really serious to start on this path.
Look, I'm gonna be real with you for a second. Most people watching this video will nod their heads, think that's a great idea, will swipe to next idea, and then do absolutely nothing. They'll wait for the perfect moment. They'll say they need to learn more first. They'll hesitate until someone else in their city does it, and they kick themselves for missing the window. Successful in this business are those who start it instantly without moving here and there for some special business ideas. Don't be that person. You already have everything you need to get started. You have a laptop, you have the internet, you have this roadmap. The only thing standing between you and your first client is you taking that first step. Prompt engineering is not magic. It is a learnable, sellable, scalable skill. And the businesses that need you, they exist everywhere. Your job is simply to show up, add value, and stay consistent. I am sure you will promise yourself today that you will follow these steps seriously to make unlimited money out of this prompt writing business. If this video helped you, subscribe, share it with someone who's looking to build something real, or who want to do something great in life, or who want to do side hustle to pay bills, and drop a comment below telling me what your niche is going to be. I read every single one, or maybe I may suggest something there. Okay, that is it for today's video. I hope you have liked it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.